for our assignment, we decided to do community water fluoridation. The PICO question that we had come up with was, for communities with increased cavities, would fluoride in community drinking water sources in comparison to water without fluoride help to reduce cavities? And we came up with the null hypothesis, which was fluoridated community water would not help to decrease cavities. And the alternate hypothesis is fluoridated community water would help to decrease cavities.
So fluorine is a natural mineral from the earth, and when it's in a negatively charged format as an ion, it's known as fluoride, and this is what we find in our toothpaste and in our water sources. This is in most water sources that are natural. Occasionally bottled water will have it, but not always. So the fluoride mineral is involved into the tooth structure for strength and can promoting dental decay. So with that being said, community water fluoridation is the process that involves monitoring and adjusting fluoride levels in community water to ensure that they're at the 0.7 parts per million, which is the benefited amount for preventative causes. And community water fluoridation can be accessed by all individuals, no matter their age, socioeconomic status, education, where they live, etc. So any of those determinants of health. So it's kind of considered to be one of the greatest public health interventions.
So for the methodology, reliable and current studies were found in PubMed, Cochrane, and CDHA position papers. Key terms that were used to search for resources were fluoride, fluoridation, cavities, caries, decay, water, teeth, dental hygiene, community, and city and town. The studies retrieved contained clinical practice guidelines, meta-analysis, and randomized controlled trials. We aim to use information from the top of the evidence hierarchy to ensure credibility and accuracy.
Just to add to that too, we did not include any articles that talked about fluoride toothpaste or fluoride supplements, as they didn't have any, they were kind of like a separate entity from fluoridated water.
And in summary, research was able to find that community water fluoridation to reduce incidence of caries. Systemic reviews identified mixed results within past research related to small number of studies. Evidence did find that cessation of community water fluoride resulted in an increase in dental caries. However, multiple other factors may have influenced this outcome, as they were never properly controlled for. With the success of water fluoridation, it has led to the development of several fluoride-containing products. There were no ethical concerns that we found in the research, although it should be noted that enacting community fluoridation may cause concern for individuals who are misinformed on the health effects.
So the evidence-based clinical decision would be to recommend the administration of fluoride in community water because it is proven to be safe, effective in reducing cavities with minimal possible negative effects. The information collected can be used to educate the general public and support the incorporation of fluoride in communities that do not already have it in their water systems. So for our discussion that we want you guys to help answer, we have what would you do or say when a client is against the use of fluoride, and what do you believe is the best strategy to increase community water fluoridation around Canada?